Thank you guys for tuning into the Dhol Playground. My name is Manvir, and in this episode, we're going to move on to the second part of the Bhangra invasion set. Before we begin dissecting the set, what I'm going to do is I'll play the clip for you that we're trying to learn. That way you have an idea of what it sounds like, and then we'll start breaking it down from there. Part 2 consists of 7 sequences. Sequence 1 is Chaal 4 played 7 times, followed by din, din, da, din, which is the tora or the break. And this entire sequence is played twice. To illustrate, the next clip is going to be myself and my students playing it for you. To avoid being repetitive, in sequences 2, 4, and 6, we're playing the exact same thing, which is a Bhangra and Dhamaal variation that I covered in the last Simply Dhol video. In sequence 2, we're playing the entire thing 8 times. In sequences 4 and 6, we're only playing it 4 times. Sequence 3 is a Dhamaal variation that we covered in the 9th Simply Dhol video. To refresh your memory on how that's played, you can always follow the annotation in this video, or you can click on the link to the lesson in the description box. Sequence 5 might be something relatively new to you, but it's not anything that's hard to play. So the bowls for the sequence are ge na na ge na na ge na 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 ge na na ge na. So again, that is ge na na ge na na ge na 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 ge na na ge na. Part 2 ends with us playing gena 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 nana gena 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 nana gena 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 nana gena 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 nana, which transitions into part 3, and we'll be covering that in the near future. To help you guys follow along, what I'm going to do is I'm going to post a breakdown of this entire set at the Simply Dhol blog, which you can access by visiting the website www.simplydhol.com. Before we wrap things up here, if you guys enjoyed watching this episode, make sure you guys hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe before leaving. Thank you guys for watching as always.